Welcome to my unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing Baby Teethers. I did order it from Amazon. This is the Amazon package that it came in. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and see what they look like in person. Now before ordering these, I did kind of go back and forth in my head. Should I or should I not get teethers? A little bit controversial, a little bit like pacifiers. Some people like them, some people don't. I decided to go ahead and give it a try. You can see these are cute little cactus designs. That looks like a cactus, and I'm not quite sure. No, almost somewhat like a pumpkin type thing. Cooling comfort cutie cooler. So you can see the cute little cat, and it's for babies that are 3 months old or up. And it's soothing water-filled teethers, so that's good. I was a little bit hesitant because I'm not too familiar with using these products, just how strong and durable they would be. I do worry about them ripping, but I asked my mother and she said that when I was a baby that I actually used these as well, and she said that they're very strong. So that gave me some reassurance. And let's see what the back looks like. And these are nice because you can chill them in the refrigerator, which helps to relieve their gum pain. You can read about it up there. A different language down here. And it says to clean before use with a damp cloth and mild soap. And then to air dry it. It's not dishwasher safe, and do not boil or microwave, and is filled with sterilized water, and cool only in the refrigerator, and do not place it in the freezer compartment. So I will follow those directions, and it's from a company in Naperville, Illinois, and that's their website, itsyritzy.com, even though I did order it directly off of Amazon, or indirectly I should say. Cacti water teethers. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and open this and see what they actually look like or feel like outside of the package or the box. So they're not as gummy as I was thinking that they would be, but that's probably a good thing. They are pretty sturdy. Pretty durable. I think my baby will like this on their teeth, so I'm glad I got these. I'll see if the baby has a preference for one or over the other, but they do look like they will all be great, and I'm glad I bought them. So thank you for watching my video, and please like, comment, subscribe. And let me know your own experiences with baby teethers, pros, cons, and your experiences. So thank you for watching.